I'm going to show you how you can make a quick code change to ensure that only certain IP addresses are accessing your API. So let's do that now. Right now, anyone can access the API. Anyone with a valid authorization header, that is. But let's say I want to lock down my API even further to certain IP addresses. What I can do is simply copy this server.use. Going to get rid of all of this code here, and let's define the IPs that we want to be considered valid. So I'll enter a fake one, 111.222.333.444. And to check what IP address the client is using to connect to our API, we can say var IP is equal to rec.headers. This X forwarded for header is standard in HTTP requests. Typically, if someone is behind, let's say like a proxy server, this header is sometimes passed. Otherwise, just use the standard IP address, which is rec.connection.remote address. So once again, first check if there is an X forwarded for header in case they're behind some kind of proxy or something like that. Otherwise, we'll just use the standard default rec connection remote address. And then I can just say if whitelisted IPs .index of, if it contains the IP that the user, well, we're actually going to check for the opposite. If it does not contain the IP that's being used to connect to our API, then we'll just copy and paste our 403 forbidden response here. And last but not least, return next afterwards as well. So check to see if the IP is a valid one as specified by our whitelisted IPs. Otherwise, we're going to say that you must invalid IP address for now. So if I head to Postman, we're still passing our authorization header and getting our response, but now we get, oh, failure, invalid IP address. And it's kind of hard to show on my local host because I can't change my IP address easily. But what I can do is pass this X forwarded for header, and I'll pass 111.222.333. Let's pass an invalid one first, .333 again. Nope, it still doesn't like it. But if I change the final 333 to a 444, now we get our familiar success message. Okay, that's it for this lesson.